We have a nursing course as well that runs parallel to the orthopedic trauma course. And that has been primarily designed for inpatient nursing care that deals directly with problems that occur during the course of care for an orthopedic trauma patient. Everything from preoperative diagnosis to postoperative rehab, wound care to orthotics and prosthetic usage. And many of the nurses also that attend this have attended in previous years. And it's a great opportunity for them to learn directly from some of these orthopedic surgeon leaders, many of whom are not really available to the attendees on a normal basis. And so this is another great benefit of the course.